We buy houses and land fast, as is condition in regardless of your property situation. We can purchase now and close on the date of your choice.
If you're going through a divorce, inherited a property, facing foreclosure, relocating, lost a job, tired of renters, want a lump sum of cash, or the house needs repairs, fill out the short form and we'll be in touch with you ASAP.
Or visit Barasana.com for more locations near you. Include Barasana free moving service program when you sell your house to us. Barasana Cash Home Buyer is your #1 source for real estate solutions near you.
This tip's brought to you by Carhelpout.com, your source for local professional mobile mechanic service that will come to you.
2010 Jetta, Volkswagen, and it's like it's impossible to turn a steering wheel. And I wanted to know if you would be able to come out and fix it for me and how much you think it will cost.
I think the terminology fix is not necessarily what I would be able to do. I would be able to diagnose it and tell you what needs to be done to fix it.
Okay.
As long as you're within 30 to 40 minutes travel, I would be able to diagnose it and then let you know from there what it would cost you. But I can't give you a price if I don't know what's wrong with the car. I can only give you the price for the diagnosis and the travel.
But after you diagnose it, then you will be able to let me know how much it would be. If you would even be able to fix it?
I mean, I don't see any reason why I wouldn't be able to fix it. I could cut your car in half and put it back together if you want me to. So I ain't nothing outside of my means of abilities. It's just a matter of knowing what it is that needs to be corrected, figuring out if the stores have the parts. You know, those are the complications. It's not a matter of if I can or can't. It's just a matter of going through the entire process. What part is needed? Where can we get the part? When can we get it done? I just don't want you thinking that all of this can be done. I can come out there and bam, car fixed. It's a process.
All right, cool. And one more thing. Besides the steering wheel, the car only starts up when I put it in neutral. Like when if it's in park, it doesn't start. When I put it in neutral, it starts up. So the question that I'm asking with that is, would you be able to, in the diagnosis, would you be able to tell me everything that's wrong with the car or whatever you find is wrong with it?
Technically speaking, I could tell you what's wrong with the car right now based on what you just told me. But that's not going to help you get it fixed. Based on what you just told me, putting it in neutral, you could probably just Google this yourself. That's a neutral safety switch, most likely. But the question is getting to the switch, figuring out, again, where the switch is located, how to gain access to it, et cetera, et cetera. It's a possibility it could be a few other things, but it's highly likely that it's a neutral safety switch.
Gotcha. All right, so with that being the case,
remember, if you ever need a mobile mechanic service that will travel to you and repair your car, truck, or van at any convenient location, we can help you get back on the road again by putting their knowledge and years of experience to work for you. Carhelpout.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. And we do pre-purchase inspections on used car buying at any location. Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.